Honda HRC is going to be down to 3 riders at the MXGP of Portugal, as 5-time world champion and current red plate holder Tim Gajser will not make the trip to this round. Obviously, this coming after his dislocated shoulder injury in Switzerland, and well, sadly, it seems that he has not at least fully recovered or recovered enough to race at the level that these guys are. And we do have a quote from him saying this: "Obviously, everybody knows I dislocated my shoulder in Switzerland, but despite the best care possible since leaving the track, I will be unable to line up for the MXGP of Portugal. I tried my hardest with all the physiotherapy, and we did everything we could to be ready for this weekend, but it just hasn't worked out. There was hope earlier in the week as things were going well, but this is an injury you just can't force or rush to be better than it is. Of course, I am extremely disappointed to be missing any race, and now we will see what we can do in the coming days to figure out our next move. I'd like to say a big thanks for all the messages of support I have received from all the fans, and I hope to see you at the races soon." Now, obviously, this is big news. Like it said, he is the red plate holder. He is the championship leader at the moment. So coming into this round and not racing this round probably means he's going to lose it. He is number 1 at the moment with 305 points, with Roman Febvre at 278, Lucas Konen and Glenn Koldenhoff at 227 and 224 respectively. And correct me if I'm wrong, that's 50 points per race. I don't remember if they do anything for like a super pole or qualifying point or whatever. So tell me if they do, comment down below. But 50 points, so technically Roman Febvre could go from almost 28 down to 23 up technically, or something like that math. And you never want to see anybody get hurt, especially something like this, and the way it happened with the stupid mound of dirt on the side of the track. But I don't know. So I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you watching MXGP? Are you not interested? Just American motocross fan? Whatever it is. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things you can on this platform. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.